Hey guys, Guy here. My Xbox controller's rechargeable battery just died and it has no warranty. Sadly, PowerA, the company that made these batteries, doesn't sell them separately. Well, they do, but now they come with a hideous charging port and the cover is only available in black. My controller's white. Fortunately, Rocketfish has their own version, but it's not compatible with PowerA's charging station. Rather than purchasing a spot welder and battery cells, I figured I'd rip these apart and swap the battery cells. In case you didn't know, these essentially just have two AA batteries inside. What makes them incompatible is the inner circuitry, but we're only here for the battery cells. So let's get to it. Now go piss off Nintendo by emulating Zelda on your PC. Yep. Buttery smooth PC performance.